What if I told you that you can build a modern, premium-looking developer portfolio without using React, without using complex framework, and using just Python? In this video, I'll show you how I built this entire portfolio using Streamlit with animation like this, right? With sections and even a contact form down below. So you can see here. And so this is the best practice. I mean, this is the best way to practice your coding skills. Okay, in because in Streamlit you can also deploy your project directly to the Streamlit cloud, and they're going to. I mean, you're going to be provided with your custom domain. Okay, although it's a subdomain, but you can put your name there and then .streamlit.app. Okay. And before we dive in into to automation, web scraping, building, or just in case that if you are into automation, web scraping, and building real world projects like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification because I'll be sharing more tutorial like this in the future. As you can see on my channel, if you are a follower, I mean, if you are a subscriber, you can definitely check all the archive that I have regarding automation, web scraping, data scraping, creating website, creating app. It's in this channel. So again, I'm just going to I've been doing automation, web scraping, technical support for almost roughly 16 years. Today I'm going to walk you through the exact code behind my portfolio and explain how everything works step by step. First, as you can see here on my down below, you will see here the Streamlit. Okay, I import Streamlit as st. Okay, and then uh, and then we will set the page title. As you can see here on the page title, it's also on the upper portion. Okay, down here, I mean up here. Then and then below I mean the portfolio uses a full screen, a wide screen. This already makes it look more modern compared to the default layout because the default layout of Streamlit, it has a sidebar on the left side, okay, on the left side on the screen, and then it has the main screen, which is the right side, okay. So you can put radio buttons there, drop downs, anything that you can think of in a SaaS-based application. I mean, Streamlit is the best application that you can use. Although, when you use a Streamlit to create your app, sometimes if you are not able to access the project or the site that you created, sometimes going to be in idle mode, or it means it will going to sleep. So you have to wake it up, all right, from time to time. Okay. So yeah, the styling is I mean I inject the CSS using ST Markdown, as you can see here on this side. Yep. As you can see here, there's a with st dots markdown, and then this one, I import this font because I'm using in the font in the entire what you call this what you call entire project. Okay, and I also use the banner, which is came from Unsplash, which is for free. And if you're going to go there, as you can see here in the background, is blurred and it's on the background, right, on the title. So this one, usually call this, I mean, here's the hero section, okay? I already told you that it's my name, and then the role and the short value statement is on here. Go here. Let me go ahead and it's contact form. This is all the CSS styling. Okay, here's the hero form. There's the name. Here's the role, and there's the short value statement. And then the usually I'm going to put a hire me button here, but I forgot to put the hire me button here. Also, I'm going to put what you call the download resume button, and also put my probably here. I'm going to put the GitHub project and also the share. I mean the Streamlit project that I have. I mean it's an entire app, right? On the not only on my YouTube channel, those are only videos. Share, I mean the Streamlit app I mean I have the entire archive in that Streamlit app cloud and also on GitHub. Okay, I also put those information on my GitHub. So this one we use Streamlit column to create this stat section. So you don't have to. I mean, it's easy to do that because usually you can use the column st. You always use st in the Streamlit. Okay, yes. How many columns that you want to put? It's four, two, three. It's up to you. Okay, and you always put this section here to make it the whole entire app enabled. Okay. So in the About Me section, this section explains the who I am and I'm specialized in we wrap the content inside a styled card, and let's go there. As you can see here, right? It's also animated. When you hover your mouse, it will going to move upward slightly, almost the entire what you call this card on every section. Usually that's the process that I'm doing right now. And also the featured product, as you can see here. Then we use two columns in the featured project with the other experiences that I have. Right, I put um, two, yeah, two. Yeah, yeah, I got two rows in there. And also on the BBO work experience that I have, and I put a horizontal section. Okay, and this horizontal section, just in case, oh, not horizontal, it's also vertical. Okay, it's currently have the what you call this key animation also, as you can see here, right? The technical skills. These are the use the just a simple progress bar to visualize the skills level. Okay, although there is no numbers here regarding this because the Python is my specialty specialty in the house, of course. This is the one that I'm using to scrape data to create app, and this is the HTML, CSS, all of this, right? And again, the education is a simple card showing the degree and the school. Also, the contact me. I use the what's called this form submit. All right. On the first try, once you put for instance, you type here your name. Okay, the name. Okay, just type anything there, like for instance, John, and then John at test.com. Then say testing. Once you click on the first time, it will going to give you the activation message. But once it's done, it will going to give you this message. Okay, thanks. The form has been submitted. Return to the original site. You can close this window or click on the link. Okay, so there's no problem with that. And as you can see here, these are currently clickable. All right, and there you can there's been the navigation menu up above. I haven't done anything yet on that part, but I'm going to put that in later on. So and that's it. It is a complete modern portfolio built entirely with Python and Streamlit. As you can see in my code here, I didn't put a lot of modules on the top portion of this VS Code terminal. As you can see, we only have one module, which is Streamlit, right? So don't no need to put more modules there. So if you found this helpful and want more tutorial like this in the future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything to say, anything that you want to say about the channel, yeah, put some comments in this comment section so that we can have a conversation going, okay? I'll be sharing more content on automation, web scraping, and building real world projects in the future. So see you in the next video.